guys, it's Nicole and welcome back to our channel. Today I have another spooky shopping video for you, so make sure you come along with us to my local Homegoods and Marshalls store. So it is now the end of August and they have so much more decor out for spooky season from when I previously went a few weeks ago. So in that video they had a lot of great merchandise, but now they have 10 times as much, and I think some even better items than they originally had. Make sure you stay tuned until the end of the video so you see what I actually brought home with me. And I like to let everyone know I love almost all of the items that they carry. However, I have a huge Halloween collection, so I have to be very specific and limited with what I actually buy. But I'm going to put all of my favorite items in this video. It's going to be pretty short because, like I said, I'm just kind of recapping some of the new stuff that I saw out and about, but they had some absolutely great things. So before this video begins, if you could hit that subscribe button, it would really help out our channel. We're really trying to get to 5,000 subscribers before the end of the year. And definitely let us know what was your favorite item or what favorite Halloween item do you like putting out each year. And without further ado, let's go shopping. Okay, we're walking in Homegoods now, and the first new thing I spotted was this two-tiered tray. The tray itself is wood, and then it looks like a witch's broom as the stand. Super cute. Next were these white ceramic skeleton trays that I hadn't seen before. They were really nice quality. One of my favorite items were these mummy drink pitchers. I thought they were so cute and unique. They're absolutely adorable with their little eyes. There was a lot of fun glassware on this end cap, and if I hadn't just picked up Halloween plates, I definitely would have bought this Jack and Salad plate. This black spider was super heavy metal. It would look really cute with a couple pieces of candy in it. It was fun to see some Day of the Dead skulls before I moved to this amazing glassware. They had so many fun champagne and wine glasses in all of my spooky favorites. It's fun to see so much variety this year in spooky drinkware. If you're looking for a fun idea of what you could do with these wine glasses, check out some of our Halloween videos below where I make them into a candy dish. And last but not least, for this little area, they had some really cute skeleton charcuterie like cheese spreaders, a wine stopper, and even some Day of the Dead salt and pepper shakers. Derek thought this spider bowl was really cool. Oh, that's cute. How much is that one? Doesn't say. Flip it over. However, a little expensive at about $30. And these black skull salt and pepper shakers I'd probably leave out all year. They were really nice and only $3.99. It's always fun finding Disney stuff outside of Disney World, and the stack of 4 plates not only were cute, but they were only about $12.99, which I think is a great deal for 4 plates when it's Disney themed. Derek spotted the stack of black pumpkins. Those are really cute. $100. What are they made out of? It's $100. What are those made out of? I like signs like this that kind of like light up. So now we're kind of away from dinnerware and more in the aisles of just regular decor. They have so many skulls this year, pretty much one for anything you could possibly want. These wine glasses are cute with the full little skeletons. This set of 8 gold spiders was also really great quality at $30. They were a little pricey, but I might have to go back and get them. So this store had so much decor, but they did such a great job at trying to split it up into themes. So as you can see, there's like a group of black, a group of pink, a group of gold, then some witches on the end to kind of really lead you in a direction of what you might like. I call these marquee signs and I absolutely love them. Anything that lights up, I'm gonna be a fan of. And I almost missed these guys because they were way down low on a shelf, but how cute would this be with a champagne bottle in it for a Halloween party? And we even found a little bit of Hocus Pocus merchandise sprinkled in just before I found these amazing soap dispensers. So I'd really like to get a reusable soap dispenser, and I love this one with the skeleton hand, but the potion bottles are super cute as well. Derek was already on to the next thing, and he found some super soft blankets.
That snake right there?
Oh yeah, and stars. That's really cute. I really wanted a white blanket with like, what's it called on it? Spiders was what I was trying to say before I got distracted by all the fun pillows. I really wanted to get a Halloween pillow this year for our couch. That is cute. Spiders, look at this one. It just says Happy Halloween. That one's cute. Look at the evil eye one. Okay, so we are back at home. It's been quite a few days since my HomeGoods shopping trip. Just as a reminder, everything I included in this video I thought was either new, I hadn't seen before, or something I absolutely loved. But I only brought home one item because, again, just as a reminder, my collection is really large for Halloween, so I have to be very specific and choosy about what I bring home. So I'll share that item with you right now. And once again, if you like videos like this or travel content, DIYs, make sure you subscribe to our channel down below and give this video a like because it really helps out our channel grow, and we're trying to hit 5,000 subscribers before the end of the year. So thanks for watching today's video. We'll see you guys soon. Bye.